This week at Marine Parts Source, we're offering Isotemp water heaters at 30% off list price plus free ground shipping. If you are looking to upgrade the freshwater system in your boat, a new water heater from Isotemp is a perfect solution. There are a variety of shapes and sizes to fit most applications. Each Isotemp water heater uses the highest quality components to ensure maximum efficiency for heating the water on board your vessel. All Isotemp water heaters include a stainless steel inner tank to ensure a long life that can withstand the harsh marine environment. As always, if you have questions about selecting the right water heater for your boat, just give our experts a call or find us online at marinepartssource.com.